October is calling you inward, a month for emotional healing and realignment. I'm seeing breakthroughs in love, family dynamics, and self worth, paired with unexpected career changes. Stay with me till the end because I'll share a 2-minute ritual that grounds your emotions and open your heart to clarity and joy. Let's get started. So, October is like a standing on the shore, watching tides shift. We have the moon card, and it is telling us that there are hidden truths which are about to surface. Your intuition is very strong this month, but there may be illusions or overthinking pattern. We also have the Queen of Cups, and I can see that this particular card, encourages the emotional mastery. So you need to respond with compassion, okay, not in a reactive way, okay. So that you need to understand, and please let go of what no longer serves you, okay. That will help you, Cancer. You are already very sensitive, emotional. So take this month as a emotional detox month. Okay, Cancer? You may feel waves of old patterns trying to rise. Allow them to wash away rather than holding them tight. Let's talk about the love and relationships, Cancer. So, love is tender this month. Couples may experience emotional clarity after weeks of uncertainty. Singles, your intuition is your guide. A person may appear who feels deeply safe and familiar, and the moon is warning you here. Check if you're projecting fears onto your partners or the people whom you are meeting in the love life. Okay? What are the little actions you should take for your love life this month, Cancer? Write a letter to your partner or future partner expressing your true feelings. It will help you because here this month emotional detox is the theme. And notice any patterns of jealousy or fear. Step back and observe, not others, but yourself, okay? And create a nightly gratitude list for love. Even small gestures count, okay? Let's talk about career and ambition, Cancer. So, career may feel like tides, as I stated earlier. So, something moving slowly, something surging. Okay, you should lead with empathy if you are leading a team, especially if managing teams or clients. So, yes, if you are leading a team, if you are leading people, you should be leading with empathy. That's very, very important here. Workloads may ease and you will get a space to prioritize what matters. Okay. You will get a relief, some kind of relief, Cancer, this month with respect to the work. What are the little actions that you should take for your career, Cancers? So, learn delegation. Okay. Delegate the task you have been carrying all alone. Focus on projects that bring emotional satisfaction, not just financial reward. Don't just go after money. You are Cancerian. You need the emotional satisfaction too. Okay? And take 10 minutes daily to visualize your ideal work day because clarity always attracts opportunities. Let's look on to the money and finances for you, Cancer. I can say financial energy is about releasing fear this month. We have the 10 of wands, but it's in reverse. So I am seeing here letting go energy. So let go of unnecessary obligations, debts, or habits that is draining your resources. October may also bring some windfalls, but they will be the small one, okay, or some reimbursements also, okay. But yes, they will be small. That's for sure. What are the little actions that you should take for the month of October with respect to money and finances? So, cancers list 3 recurring expenses you can cut. Avoid impulsive purchases. Check if it truly serves your long term goal or not. Save, 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 even if it's small. Okay. For health and well being, Cancer, your emotional energy directly affects the physical well being. That we all know very well. What a sign. Because water signs, the water signs absorb other stress. So it's very important for all the water signs to protect their boundaries. Okay. So moon energy is asking you for rest and reflection this particular month. Okay, Cancerians. And what are the little actions that you should take for your health? Meditation. Yes, it's very beneficial for you. Take a 5-minute evening meditation with a focus on your heart and breath. Drink tea, water, infused water to calm your nerves. Do gentle stretches or yoga to release tension from shoulders and back. You can do it while working from your office also. Okay, even if you are working from home, you should do it because you are already very emotional, and emotional detox is something you should do. And all the tension, is in the shoulder and the back. So to release those tension, you should do some stretches or yoga asanas. Okay. So yes, again, Cancer, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So from the spiritual point of view also, I'm seeing that you should let go of the emotional baggage that you have been carrying from years. It is not going to help you out, Cancerians. Whatever, the feelings that you are having and you're holding them, write them on the paper and burn them. Okay, and it is because it is called as the symbolic release. So you should do that. Now let's talk about the ritual, the remedy that you should do this particular month. 2-minute candle and water ritual. Fill a small bowl with water, light a silver or white candle nearby, and say, I release what no longer serves me. 3 times. And dip your fingers in the water, imagining the emotional release. Let the candle burn safely for 10 to 15 minutes, and this ritual calms heart and mind in minutes. Just try it. Okay. Now, what are the signs that you should watch for in the month of October, Cancer? The repeated number 777, because it talks about the spiritual alignment and the support. Okay. You can also see some silvery reflections in water or mirrors, and somehow it is related to the intuition signals. Okay, so do watch for it, and you will feel like wearing a particular color every day. Now, that can be any color, but here I am seeing the pastel colors. Okay, let's talk about the lucky color. It's silver and ocean blue. Lucky day will be Monday. Gemstone, moonstone, and angel numbers 777 for this month. Now, as per your reading, I can see an affirmation for you. And it is, I release emotional burdens and welcome love and clarity into my life. So, Cancer, that was your reading. October brings emotional healing, love, clarity, and release from burdens. Watch for 777, the silver flashes reflection into waters and mirrors. Your intuition is your guide. So, let me know what resonated most. If you like this reading, subscribe, like, share, comment.